In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add phone number to your Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then go to menu, and if you are on your main Facebook profile, right here, first off, you need to switch to a page. Just hit at that icon, and in the pop-up that comes up, select your page. Once the page opens, hit at menu, and then tap right here at that gear icon to open up settings. On settings, I recommend you to tap at the very top at that search box and then search for contact. And among these search results, select personal information. And that's where you should tap at contact info, and on that step you will be able to add phone number and email address to your Facebook page. Just hit at add phone number, then select your country. If it's wrong, just hit at change and select country from that big list. Once you find your country, just tap on it, then just enter your mobile number in that text field, then hit add continue. After that, you will need to confirm your phone number by entering verification code from SMS in order to add it to your Facebook page, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.